Are you wondering where I'm going yet? I've not said a word, have I? I am on my way down to the river at Clay's Ferry, which is underneath of the Interstate 75 bridge between Fayette and Madison County. That's just south of Lexington. I thought, let's go for a drive. It's nice and pretty out today. It's in the 60s. And let's see what the river looks like down here. I don't even know that I can get all the way down here. I know the river is still really high. This road is very curvy. But I saw on the news earlier today that a boat dock was coming down the river, heading for Frankfort, and they don't know where it come from or who it belonged to, and they're trying to figure out how to get it out of the river. Now that's the Clay's Ferry Bridge. That's Interstate 75 up there. I'd say I'm not the only one down here rubbernecking today. Probably a very safe bet. And I'm probably getting pretty close. That's a good place to pull over and look, but I think that man's peeing. Well, I know I saw on the news it was almost over the little bridge down here at one point, but it looks like it may be under it. I don't know if this bridge is even open. Like, I may be fixing to get myself into a mess. And the bridge is only one lane. So, but I don't know about driving across it while the water's up, because this bridge is older than dirt. Oh no, they ain't no getting across it. We gotta turn this around. I might get in trouble for this. Lots of cars. Everybody looking. I don't know if they were getting ready to open the bridge back up or not. It appeared that way. But I don't want to be down there in the way, and it's not a whole lot to look at from where you can stand down there. If this car is gone with the man peeing coming back up the hill, I'm gonna see if I can pull over there and see what we can see. Oh, they're leaving, so. Oh, God! Oh, that was a hump.
My hump, my hump, my hump, my hump, my hump.
Full waterfall. It's really loud because I'm straight underneath of the I-75 bridge right now. You can't see a whole lot, can you? It's still across the road over on the Fayette County side. Not a whole lot to look at. Whew, that bridge rattles. There's a catwalk up there, and I'm not going to say whether or not I have walked it before. Oh, it's really high. Look at that. Now, this is a part of the country I don't know a whole lot about. So I'm going to follow these other rubberneckers and see what we can see.
down here the other day. Can't get to it, it's all in the water.
I only got to the top. I wanted to go up on Upper Amster Grove, but they said it's up in there too.
All it, people live down on the Amster Grove and stuff.
I used to live down on Lower Amster Grove.
They lost everything.
I know we lost many times. We wait till they get to the patio and then I just shovel. We throw out mattresses and we just don't on them.
Hello?
But we'd be up on top of that hill.
No, we down here taking pictures of it.
Because we live down there.
Yeah.
There's the sand.
Big time.
This Berea College bus just passed me on the bridge, and now it is smoking, and I can smell it. I'm not sure what is going on with it. It don't smell good. I'll head back for the interstate.
My